Is this visible?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thin, thick sticks.
Okay.
Thin, thin sticks. Thin, thin, sticks. Thin, thick sticks. Now do
Read the
I,
next one.
huh? Uh, what did you say again?
Read the next one.
Oh, okay.
Uh,
He threw three free throws. He threw three free throws. He threw th threw three free throws. He threw three free throws.
okay, okay. Read the next one.
Black bat. Black bat. Black bat.
Very
Black
good, very good. Is this
back.
easy to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's enter into the session. So I'm going to show you reading comprehension to reading comprehension, which is easiest. Okay. So no need to nervous. Okay. No need to be
Okay.
nervous.
The
So
ocean.
read the first line of the comprehension I have shown you.
Okay. The ocean. The ocean has a bright blue water filled with waves. Many types of fish lives in the ocean. Seagulls love flying over the ocean to look for fish. There is soft sand along the shore and there are pretty seashells in the sand. The ocean is a great place to visit.
Okay. You are doing very well. So let me ask some questions from this passage. Those are very easiest questions, okay? What's the color? What color is the ocean?
Blue.
Okay. What lives in the ocean?
Fish and other sea animals.
Okay. Why do the seagulls fly over the ocean?
To get food sometimes.
What?
To get food sometimes.
To catch some fish to eat, okay? Okay. What is in the sand?
Seashells.
Okay, very good. You having a very good learning and listening power. So let's start with another comprehension. Read this.
Okay. The Lion and the Mouse. Once upon a time, there lived a lion in a forest. One day, after a heavy meal, it was sleeping under the tree.
Okay.
After a while, there came a mouse and it started to play on the lion. Suddenly, the lion got with anger and looked for those who disrupted his nice sleep. Then it saw a small mouse standing, trembling with fear. The lion jumped on it and stared to kill it. The mouse requested the lion to forgive it. The lion felt pity and left it. One, one another day, the lion was caught in a net by a hunter. The mouse came there and cut the net. Thus, thus it accepted, and thereafter they became friends.
Read the last line again.
Thus it escaped.
Escape.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Thus it escaped, and thereafter they became friends.
Okay, very good. You done a little mistakes Okay, so it's not a big problem, but your flow is very good. Okay.